Vivo has just introduced the S30 Pro Mini, a compact powerhouse that combines a sleek design with top-tier specifications. Unveiled alongside the standard S30 in China, the Pro Mini variant offers users a premium smartphone experience in a smaller footprint. Its aluminum frame, frosted glass back, and refined camera module underscore Vivo's commitment to blending style with substance. The S30 Pro Mini stands out with its minimalist aesthetic and high-quality materials. Unlike many compact smartphones that compromise on build, this model features a unibody aluminum frame that enhances durability and resists scratches. The frosted glass rear panel is available in 4 understated color options, allowing the device to appeal to a wide range of users without relying on gaudy patterns or excessive embellishments. Measuring just 8 mm in thickness and weighing 186 grams. The Pro Mini feels solid and premium in hand, while remaining light enough for one-handed use. Rounded corners and flat edges give it a modern profile, and the physical buttons, power on the right, volume controls above it, are easily accessible yet unobtrusive. On the bottom edge, the USB-C port, SIM tray, and speaker grille sit in perfect alignment, while a small microphone hole and antenna lines are neatly integrated at the top. Vivo has equipped the S30 Pro Mini with a 6.31-inch AMOLED LTPO panel that boasts a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. In real-world usage, the screen feels exceptionally smooth, whether scrolling through social feeds or watching high frame rate videos, and the HDR support ensures vibrant color reproduction, with a peak brightness of 5000 nits, and a typical HBM high brightness mode rating of 1300 nits. The display remains easily readable even under direct sunlight. Notably, the bezels are remarkably thin, just 1.32 mm on the sides and 1.33 mm at the top, creating an almost bezel-less effect. This design choice gives the impression that content is floating atop the device, rather than being confined within traditional borders. The narrow bottom bezel is barely noticeable, lending the display a truly immersive feel. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile 3-camera setup. On the S30 Pro Mini, the main shooter uses a Sony IMX921 sensor with a 50-megapixel resolution, capturing detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens provides a 108-degree field of view for expansive landscapes, while a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto lens, Sony IMX882, offers 3x optical zoom for clear shots of distant subjects. Vivo has also implemented a clear portrait texture algorithm to enhance facial details, producing more natural-looking portraits. For creative videography, 2 notable features are Classic Negative, which applies a nostalgic film-like filter, and Hitchcock Zoom Live, which records 3-second clips with dynamic backgrounds while keeping the subject centered. On the front, a 50-megapixel selfie camera supports autofocus and 4K recording, ensuring crisp, detailed self-portraits and video calls. Under the hood, the S30 Pro Mini is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, a formidable processor in the premium mid-range category, paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage. The phone handles multitasking and storage-intensive tasks with ease. Benchmark tests have demonstrated impressive results: over 2 million points on AnTuTu, and a 4,449 score in 3DMark Wildlife Extreme. Geekbench 6 scores further illustrate its strength, with 2,225 in single-core and 7,484 in multi-core tests. During extended gaming sessions, such as playing Genshin Impact at high graphics settings, the device maintained a steady 59.9 frames per second over 30 minutes, showcasing stable performance and efficient thermal management. The phone runs Origino S5 out of the box, delivering a smooth, feature-rich user experience. Familiar AI-driven functionalities include smart scene recognition, adaptive battery management, and enhanced security measures. For instance, the device can detect suspicious incoming calls containing sensitive keywords like banking, passwords, or verification codes and alert the user with a vibration and warning message. Despite its compact dimensions, the S30 Pro Mini houses a substantial 6,500 mAh battery. Vivo engineers have managed to balance a slim profile with ample power capacity, ensuring users can comfortably get through a full day of heavy usage. Complementing the large battery is 90W fast charging, which can replenish approximately 50% of capacity in just 30 minutes, and achieve a full charge in 58 minutes under real-world testing conditions. Whether you need a quick top-up before heading out, or a full recharge overnight, the rapid charging capability minimizes downtime and keeps the device ready for action. In summary, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini represents a compelling option for users who demand flagship-level performance in a compact form factor. Its refined design, vibrant high refresh rate display, versatile camera array, and robust processing power make it a standout choice in the premium mid-range segment. The generous battery life and rapid charging further enhance its appeal, ensuring that the S30 Pro Mini can handle a long day of work, play, or content creation without compromise. For anyone seeking a smaller smartphone that does not sacrifice power or features, the Vivo S30 Pro Mini is certainly worth considering.